In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide Facebook Marketplace posts from your friends. This guide is simple and easy to follow, so let's dive right in and ensure your marketplace listings are only visible to the people you want. First, let's start by heading over to Facebook. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser or mobile app and logging into your Facebook account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand menu on your screen. If you're on a mobile device, you might need to tap on the three horizontal lines, typically located in the bottom right corner, to access the main menu. Now locate and click on See More in that menu. This will expand your options and allow you to navigate to different sections of Facebook that you might not see on your main feed. Next, find and click on Marketplace. The Marketplace is where you'll find all your buying and selling activities. Depending on your device, this might be in a slightly different spot, but it's usually among the expanded options in your main menu. Once you're in the marketplace, go ahead and click on Selling. This section displays all the items you've listed for sale on the platform, and it's the main area we'll be working with in this guide. When you've opened the Selling section, you'll see a list of all your current listings. Look for the post you want to hide from your friends, and click on the three dots usually located at the top right of the specific listing. These three dots are your gateway to more options concerning that particular listing. Selecting these will give you a drop-down menu of actions you can perform. From this menu, click on Edit Listing. It's essential to ensure you're on the listing you want to update, as this will direct you to the edit page for that particular item. Now that you're in the Edit Listing menu, there's one more step to make sure this post won't appear to your friends. Scroll down the edit page and you'll find an option labeled Hide from Friends. This is the key to maintaining your privacy within Facebook's buying and selling space. When you locate the Hide from Friends option, make sure it's toggled on or selected. This will ensure that only potential buyers outside of your friends list can view the item, keeping your listing separated from your social sphere. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully adjusted your Facebook Marketplace settings to hide posts from your friends. If you have multiple listings you want to keep private, simply repeat these steps for each one. Keeping some online activities discreet is completely understandable, and thankfully Facebook has provided a simple way to manage your visibility. Thanks for watching, and happy selling, or even browsing, knowing you have the control right at your fingertips.